Dalai mentions many times that as and the sentient beings, their mentality, their needs, their propensities, their emotions are all different. Although that we are all human beings, but we all have different tastes, different ideas and so on. So therefore, one kind of religion is not enough. The variety of religion is very, very necessary, and it's important. Just as like many different kinds of disease, then in order to cure these different kinds of disease, we need many different kinds of medicines. For certain disease, the allopathic medicine is more effective, whereas for certain disease, Ayurvedic is more effective. For certain disease, Tibetan medicine is very effective, and for certain disease, the naturopathic is more effective. So therefore, every different tradition that I respect, and I believe that it is necessary. So the need of Dharma is that all these different traditions and different philosophies, all the energies and the efforts putting together through the united efforts, that how can we help the mankind to solve the problems of today's world and to make this world more peaceful, more harmonious, and more happier place.